In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to create BMs, ad managers on Facebook ads, okay? If you create using the traditional method, the maximum that Facebook allows is 2 BMs, and most people are getting blocked when it comes to creating them, okay? I'm going to teach you an updated method here, 2023. It's the easiest method. It's easier than the old method that you had to link to Instagram, remove pages, remove accounts, and so on, okay? So if you're not subscribed, subscribe now, leave your like. This is very important. Subscribe to the channel because here, if you're having trouble creating BM, you'll also learn all about contingency, paid traffic, and so on. So subscribe, leave a like, comment down here if you managed to do it, if you didn't, okay? Well guys, before I start, I'll warn you that the limit this BM comes with is 250 raise per day. Some BMs may come with a limit of 130, some come with a limit of 250, 260 per day. If you want to learn the method for creating BMs with a daily spending limit of 1,400 Rs, which is where people who invest heavily come from, I have this mentoring. It's specialized mentoring. There's a link down here for you to contact me directly and I'll give you the prices, okay? But it's not for everyone. It's for those who already invest a lot. But if you're just starting out or if you invest up to 250 Rs a day, this video will help you a lot, okay? So without further ado, let's get to the video. Well, here I am in the profile, right? Then we'll come to the pages. You'll see how simple it is. Here I'm going to access the page, right? I'm going to access the page, and what am I going to do? I'm going to link a WhatsApp account here on this page, okay? Actually, you're going to come here to the profile, okay? Here on the right hand side, because it's changed now, Facebook changes all the time, so I'm going to access a page. This is a page I've created. You create any page there, okay? Create a page from scratch. And you'll come here to settings. Linked accounts. Here you see Instagram, the old method. What was it? You came here, linked Instagram, it generated a BM. Now we're going to do it through WhatsApp Business, okay? It has to be WhatsApp Business. If you don't have it, just download the WhatsApp Business app and upload your number and turn it into business, okay? It won't change anything. The only thing that will change is that there will be a few more options for you to tweak, okay? So here I'm going to put in my WhatsApp Business. I'll send the code and I'll receive a code here, right? So I've already received it here. It will give an error, but it will generate the BM. Watch this video to the end so you understand what needs to be done after generating the BM, okay? It didn't give an error here, but sometimes it might give an error on yours, okay? But even if it gives an error, it will generate the BM. So I can skip here, I'll check here, I'll close, cancel, that's it. Then the first thing we're going to do is come here on WhatsApp again. I'm going to F5 here. See? It's linked to the page, so I'm going to disconnect WhatsApp because if I want to connect this WhatsApp to another page or if I want to generate another BM, just do the same procedure, but I have to come here and disconnect it. To access my BM, I'll come here to select business.facebook.com.sc. This link will show me all the BMs that are linked to the profile. So here, see, it's already generated a BM with the name of the page, the Maya Lopez page. Here, I'll go back to the profile. Okay, this is the profile, this is the page. So he came here and generated it for me. Look how wonderful. See? Very simple to do, guys. If you've already done it, leave a like to strengthen the work, comment, subscribe, okay? Well, here I am inside BM, right? What are the first initial steps? I'm going to come here in business settings. Here in pages, I like to come here and remove the page, okay? Why is that? Because you don't need to have the page here inside BM. If you have the page in your profile, you can already advertise. So for work reasons or if I get blocked, anything else, I remove the page here. I come here to WhatsApp accounts here in the left hand corner and remove that number. You see? My number is linked to this BM, but I'll remove it. There, it didn't make a mistake and removed it. I now have a BM ready to use. I'm even going to show you if you want to sell it, how to pass this BM on to another profile, or if you're going to sell it, or if you're going to make a backup, you'll come here to add and enter an email address. Okay? The link to access the BM will arrive in the email you entered here. It's very simple. Once you've clicked on the link, you're already inside the WB, right? This is where you create the pixel, the data source. And here to start advertising, you go here to add accounts, create a new account, type in any name here for the account, put in the location, in this case São Paulo, time zone, and the currency is always real. Then you come here and I'll create an account, okay? So that's the easiest way to create a BM. And now I'm going to show you some possible mistakes that can happen. Let's suppose you've done the whole process and the BM hasn't been generated, or there's been an error or something has happened. What do you need to do? I recommend that you first restart everything. Internet and PC. So you restart your internet and you restart your PC, because sometimes it can check and give an error. Try again, it still didn't work. Change the profile. Try creating BM with another profile and another page. Okay, because sometimes there may be an error on the page, there may be an error in the profile. So whatever error you get, if you can't generate the BM, restart everything, restart the internet, restart the PC and try again. Didn't work? Try creating the BM with another profile and another page. Okay, so you take another profile that isn't blocked, of course, and take another page, create a page from scratch, very simple, and try again. Okay, but it's supposed to work. And if you want to learn how to do BM with a daily cost of RON 300, I have specialized mentoring directly with me. The cost of the mentoring, I'll tell you in advance, is a 2,497, okay? We'll go into a class, I'll explain all the procedures, some contingency tips and so on, okay? So if you want to learn how to create the BM of this limit, get in touch with us here and we'll be doing it. We'll be giving you support. We'll be explaining how it is, okay? If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.